Let's imagine a square broken up into 4 equal pieces. If I take one piece of the square away, this can be represented by writing 1 over 4, or visually we can see this by shading only one piece. The 4 in the denominator represents the number of pieces within the whole, and the 1 in the numerator represents the piece that we're interested in, which is shaded. Now, this type of fraction, 1 over 4, is called a proper fraction. A proper fraction is a fraction that is less than 1 with the numerator less than the denominator. So 1 over 4 is a proper fraction, 2 over 4, which simplifies to 1 over 2, is a proper fraction, and 3 over 4 is a proper fraction. Now, what about 5 over 4? And how do we visualize it? Well, 5 over 4 is known as an improper fraction. An improper fraction is a fraction in which the numerator is greater than or equal to the denominator. The improper fraction 5 over 4 can be written as a mixed number 1 1/4. And a mixed number for 5 over 4 is a more useful way of looking at improper fractions if we want to visualize things. So now that we know what an improper fraction is, we can say that 4 over 4, which is equal to 1, is an improper fraction because the numerator is equal to the denominator. If we visualize 5 over 4, it would look like this. As you can see, the improper fraction 5 over 4 does not really help us understand what's going on visually. However, the mixed number explains the visual a lot better because 1 1/4 means 1 plus 1 over 4, which equals to 5 over 4. And based on the visual, we can see that we got a whole, which consists of 4 pieces, plus 1 over 4. Now, 6 over 4 is equivalent to 1 1/2, 7 over 4 is 1 3/4, and 8 over 2, or 8 over 4, is 2. And that's the difference between proper and improper fractions.